folks, how's it going? It's Maury here from Logan Woodworks. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Today we're just going to be upcycling this old mirror I got from my neighbour. So first things first, I need to get that back off, and then we'll get the staples out that I left in, and then take off that part. Now that the mirror's out of the way, I can get on my favourite job ever, knot. Now that I've got all the sanding done, I'm going to use Colron refined wood dye. The shade that I'm using is Georgian medium oak. Unfortunately the video cut off while I was doing this for some reason, so you see a little bit and then skip to the end. Now I'm using Rust-Oleum's Furniture finishing wax in clear to just make the wood grain pop a little bit more. Okay, so now that the frame's done, we're going to move on with the mirror, and what I'm doing here is just putting a cross on the back of it, roughly in line with the two corners either side, and then using a straight edge to put a mark in the middle. That way it makes it easier to find the centre for lasering. Unfortunately, when I was doing this lasering job, I did mess up a little bit. Now that the tape's on the back of the mirror, we'll move over to the laptop where you can see the tree of life that I'm going to engrave on this mirror. I start off by making sure the right hand side of the mirror is straight with the beam of the laser. I don't know if you can quite make it out there, but there is a little red dot pointer which marks where the laser head is. I use that to reference the edge, and then it's a case of jogging the laser head across to the cross. Once it's all aligned, we just use the autofocus, which is standard on the Mira 9X. Here you can see the evidence of where I messed up. I forgot to turn on the air assist. The air assist basically creates a slight airflow coming from the nozzle of the laser down towards workpiece. This stops a build up of dust on the laser nozzle, which then in turn blocks the laser path. Unfortunately, you can see the results for yourself. Those lines that are on there shouldn't be there, and if the air assist had been on, that wouldn't have happened. But this is a teaching moment, we live and we learn. So here I'm just using black spray paint to coat the back of the mirror so that it defines the image that we've engraved. Unfortunately my camera messed up again and didn't record the assembly, so here's the finished image. Even though it's messed up, I kind of still like it a little bit. I think it's important to share our mistakes as well as our successes, especially within the crafting world. How about you drop a message in the comment section, tell me what silly mistake you made and how you could have avoided it. I hope you've enjoyed this video even though I messed up. Please consider subscribing and liking this video. Catch up with you all next week. Cheers.